how to change your payments account on Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the payment account on Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we're not talking about changing our payment method, we are talking about changing our payment account, which means the Google account that you want to make purchases from. Now normally what you had to do is you could just open up your Play Store, and then if you wanted to simply edit out your payment method, you would need to tap your profile icon from the top right, go to payments and subscriptions, go to payment methods, and then you would be able to see all of your payment method you've added. You could have been able to edit them as well, but this time we don't want to do that. We want to instead switch the payment account. Now to switch our payment account, we need to have another Google account, and to switch your Google account you can just swipe up like this from this profile picture to switch to the specific Google account that you wish, as you can find here. If you don't know, then you can just go to manage apps and devices or go to Google account here. Otherwise you can just select manage accounts on this device. Just select this option called add account, add a new Google account. Then once you've done that, come back to your Play Store and then just make sure to switch the Google account. When you switch your Google account inside of your Play Store, the next time whenever you make payments, it is going to be deducted from the account or the payment method inside of this Google account and not the other one. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.